cabin baggage secured until the aircraft has reached a final stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. Please use caution when opening an overhead compartment, as the contents may have shifted with the movement of the aircraft. We remind you that smoking is not permitted until you are in a designated smoking area. Passengers requiring assistance should remain seated until the other